I'm Ashley with TCS Custom, and today we will be talking about our side bending machine. When you order your side bending machine, not only are you getting something made here in the US, in Franklin, Georgia, but you will be getting a model of your choosing for the side bending machine. Now this machine is really interesting. One of my favorite features is this swivel arm. I always hate having to fit the sides in, but this allows me to get really over in it and see exactly what I'm doing to make sure everything is lined up and square. Not only that, it has these awesome tensioner handles, very ergonomic, which I love, and they're easy to remove because they're held together here with a bolt in front. Now let's say I'm done with the dreadnought mold. Let's try something new. Don't worry. It's easily removable, and when it's not in use, it stores away very flat and easy. And when you have your new model ready to go, after you've ordered it from us, of course, you can easily insert that right back in. Call today or look us up online at tcscustom.com. Thanks.